Hi everyone, here I go once again. Today we have a reading, and this is going to be our homework number 2. So please pay attention. First of all, I hope you're doing fine. And be careful, please. Take care of yourself, especially with this COVID time. Okay, today we have reading, and as you can see, uh, it's reading. And it, first of all, do you know what drones are? What are drones? Drones are small machines, flying machines that, goes up in the air. And what do? They record everything, what happened on land. And also it takes some pictures. I think they are drones. So, besides using regular video cameras to record, do you know any other devices that can be used to make movie? Okay, so what I know is that in order to make movies, we use the cameras. But there are some other ways to make movies. Okay, so pay attention to the story. This is about Santiago Uribe, a drone filmmaker. In 2019, Santiago Uribe, an audiovisual producer from Ecuador, my God, it's from Ecuador, won the first place in the Drone Focus Film Festival in North Dakota, United States, for the second year in a row. So what is the meaning of in a row? Well, the meaning is one right after the other, that means like consecutively. All right. This is the meaning of in a row. It was the second time he won this prize. A drone is a small flying machine that is operated by remote control. In this case, the drone records, yep, the images while flying over landscapes. The title of this short film was Galapagos Islands, The Enchanted Islands, and it showed several breathtaking images of the Galapagos Islands. What is the meaning of breathtaking? Breath. It means like tu aliento. Taken. It takes your breath. It's like when you say, for example, wow, you know, it's amazing. It's wonderful. So what is the meaning of breathtaking? Is here is extremely beautiful. Beautiful. So in this case, the drone records the images while flying over landscape. And the title of this short film was Galapagos Island, The Enchanted Islands, and it shows several breathtaking images of the Galapagos Islands. The same year, he won the second place in an international festival of arts and tourism in the Ukraine. The filming of the short movie took 1 week. Remember, 1 week for filming with a drone. And the editing took 3 weeks. Alright. So 3 weeks for editing and 1 week for filming, it means 1 month. It had a price tag of approximately $20,000. In 2018, he had won the festival in Miami with the film Mindo, A Hidden Paradise, where he captured the unique landscape of the cloud forest in Mindo. Uribe studied digital and multimedia engineering at Indo-American University in Quito, Ecuador. Now he is a professor at the same university. He has been working with drone movies since 2016 when he bought his first equipment. He took a course to learn how to operate it. It's not an easy thing, so he had to learn, by taking a course. But Uribe says that he has learned the most from experience. Since then, he has won recognition in festivals around the world, including in Australia, Brazil, Germany, and the United States. Certainly, this is just the beginning of a tremendous career. Can you think you know, making a living about filmmaker or filmmaking? Wow, it would be very nice for you. Okay, if you understand the reading about these special machines, it's time to answer the question. And the question number one is, explain what a drone is in your own words. So what is a drone? A drone, for example, this is my answer. A drone is a flying machine. It's a small flying machine, could be, right? It's a small flying machine that records, and takes pictures. Okay, and take pictures. Okay, and take pictures. It's a small flying machine that records and takes pictures of everything below, and above, could be, of everything. That's it. Okay, in my own words, this is a machine. This is a drone. What kind of images do you think are in Galapagos Enchanted Islands? What kind of images? Breathtaking, amazing picture. Wow, awesome picture. So, what is the answer? Breathtaking pictures. Amazing. Okay, wonderful. Okay, awesome pictures. Awesome pictures. Okay, I picture in my mind that in the Enchanted Island film, there are these kind of pictures, breathtaking, amazing, wonderful, awesome, great pictures. Okay, how did you really learn to operate the drones? Okay, if you pay attention, remember that he took a course. Remember, he took a course. Where are you? Here. Here. He took a course, yeah, to learn how to operate drones, right? But but learned, he has learned, he has learned the most from experience. So experience is a good teacher. Experience. Experience. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the question number one, question number two, and question number three. Everything. This reading and the three questions are going to be the homework. This is the homework number two. All right? Remember, this is going to be the homework. Put it in your notebook. Santiago Uribe, drone filmmaker. Copy the whole reading and then answer the question 1, 2, and 3. Okay? See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.